Okay, so we have a markdown file that we want to convert into a Word document or into a PDF or ePUB. We don't know how to do it. Well, I'll show you a simple way to do it with pandoc. Let's start with this example. I have this tool which is WABABAI that generates manuscripts in markdown. So I'm going to go to the manuscript of this book I just created, and I have here the manuscript, and actually when I copy it, it's copying it into a markdown file, right? So what I do is now I will go into Visual Studio Code, which is a free software from Microsoft. It's for coders, but it's just a text editor. And let me just create a new file and paste what I just copied. So I have the manuscript here in this file. I'll actually save it, right? So I will just save it as a markdown file, MD. All right, so there it is. It's a markdown file. And now I will go into extensions. And here you need to install first pandoc and this extension, VSCode. I'll show you now how you can install pandoc, but you'll see that once it's installed, it's very easy to use. Actually, you have how you can use it. So I'm in a Mac, so I just need to press Shift Command P. Let me go to the file I want to convert and just Shift Command P. I will tap here pandoc. Okay, it's showing already here, pandoc render. I click on it and it tells me, okay, what is the format I want? I want the Word document. So boom, there it is. There we have the Word document, right? Properly formatted, and now I can edit it. I can do whatever I want to do with it. Actually, again, very easy to use. And I will show you in a minute how you can install pandoc. So here it is, pandoc, right? It's here's a website. You just need to go to pandoc.org. So .org. It's open source software, and you just need to install it. Install it is very easy. Whether you have Windows, and you can install directly from the installer, or just, for instance, if you have Mac OS, you can use Brew, which is a fantastic also package to get all your software. So that's it, very easy to use, and that's an easy way to use pandoc to get from markdown to any other format that you may need.